Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video. So in this video is also about hair. I'm going to test 5 different curls and I'm going to pick one of my favorite curl and I will curl entire of my hair. Right now it's this long. This is a hair tool that I will use in this video. I'm very interested to try it out. Thank you so much for sending me this to test. Yes, I do need a hair curler. The link is in the description box. It has a glove different sizes of the top. It looks very professional, right? It has a lot of different styles. I'm very interested to try it out. This one is the biggest. This is the button, so you can change different hats. Those are the different sizes. Those 3 have a clip, and the other 2 has no clip. So firstly, I'm going to test the smallest one. It has 2 buttons on the side, so you need to push the 2 buttons at the same time and put it in. It's pretty comfortable to hold it, and if you want to wear glove, you can wear a glove. So this is a picture from the website. Let's see if it looks like the picture. It will take 1 minute to heat up. The 300 degrees, that's Fahrenheit, is suitable for soft and fine hair, and 410 degrees it's for thick and stiff hair. My hair is soft. It has level 1 and level 2. For my hair, level 1 is enough. How long I need to wait? Whoa! It's very curly. You like this size curls? So this is the smallest. It's looking pretty good and it's fast and it's very easy to use. You remember I used to use the straightener to curl my hair, and that is hard to use. It's actually not very easy to take this off. Oh, I know how to take it off, so you don't need to twist it. You just like pull it off. I'm leaving this curl. You need to. Okay, I'm very happy I have a proper curling hair tool. The one I had before, it's very hard to use. This one is very easy. Let me put the hair on this side. Yeah, my hair is very long. Sometimes it's hard to reach to the end. Yeah, the curl is bigger now. I need to hold it before let it go because it has a gravity and it's longer. I don't usually curl my hair, so I still need more practice. Ooh, it's hot. Just need to hold it a little bit longer. The way to take it off is to push the button, the 2 buttons at the same time to pull it. And this is very hot. Don't touch it. I really like the design without the clip. It's much easier. Look, the curl. I actually really like this size. Oh, I like the middle size than the first 2. Yeah, this one turned out really good. Okay. So this one is size 2. I feel it's not much different, so the end of my hair doesn't look curved. Oh, okay. Yes, I do like this size. It suits me. Because of the clip, it's got shorter, so it's only this much. So for this one, it's actually longer because it has no clip, and this one's got shorter, so it was hard for me to curl. It's only this short. The clip in the way, and this one is the biggest. It's got the size on the clip. This one is 32 and this one is 25. This one is 19. Oh, these curls look very natural. It looks very natural. This one is the biggest one. Let's pull all my hair down. I have 5 different sizes, but I think when they all blend together, it's hard to tell the differences. And then I will curl the rest of my hair. so much for watching the video. It turned out pretty good, right? So this is my favorite. I like the size and it has no clip. So what do you think about the curls? And which curl is your favorite? I'll see you in next video soon. Bye bye!